folks. And we're looking at Pete's new commercial towers that he put up this summer. This is a 100-footer with a 55-foot 2-meter Yagi, which is I believe an 8 wavelength, and there's a 13 wavelength on 432 above it. This is Pete's old crank-up tower. It's doing generator duty, capturing energy. There's the big dish. We'll get some close-ups of it. That's a Navy Gunturrent with a 30-foot dish for moon bounce on 1296. And here's a 100-plus foot repeater tower. Here's the other 100-footer, which is going to go to 140 feet once Pete manages to find a crane tall enough to stack the last 2 sections on it. This is some heavy-duty tower here, folks, as most commercial towers are. There's the other shorter tower. To ask Pete what he plans on putting on these other 2 towers. Here's a monobander. Actually, it might be more than monobander. HF, obviously HF beam. See the crisscross of guy wires and also wire antennas for HF. Feed line point there. And there's another one over here on the other side as well. We'll go over here and look at this base of this tower. Give me an idea just how big it is. Big slab of concrete poured in probably just a rough hole. And there's my foot, my boot, size 9 relationship to the tower. So this is heavy duty stuff. Angle iron cross members. Look up the tower here. Got it guided 2 places. Guy wires run out to there. Big concrete in the ground. Another shot of the moon bounce dish. Gives you an idea. Excellent VHF, UHF Pete's had for years up here. Nothing but sky all the way around on this hill. This is Pete's annual New Year's Day get-together. Walk over here to this moon bounce. Navy Gunturrent off a cruiser, which provides both azimuth and elevation. Well, I can only imagine the motors inside to make all that happen, but here's a controller inside that he built. To the base of the tower. He's had this tower quite a few years. Don't know exactly how long, but he generates quite a signal off the moon with this setup. And here's a close-up shot of the 2-meter 432 tower. Pete puts in a pretty good signal into Kansas City. It's about 230 miles away. He's kept that 55-footer low. Keep all the flex down. Here's another wire antenna. There's a feed point. That choke right there. Wrapped around, looks like a piece of PVC. Anyway, every ham's dream. Nice piece of property in the middle of nowhere. Do what you want. Put up as many towers as you want. Nobody questioning what you're doing. Nobody screaming and hollering about you messing up the beautification of the skyline. So hats off to you, Pete. These are the sections that have to be stacked still. And another shot of the distance. Nothing but miles and miles of skyline. Great for VHF, UHF. And here's the shack. Pete's azimuth elevation for the big moon-bounce dish. Transverters. The 1296. HF equipment, alpha, big KW plus for 2 meter VHF, and a nice bench area with all the test equipment that you could want. Like he's got a little amplifier sitting on the bench right now, and a bunch of awards over the years for VHF, UHF contesting.
Echo test here. We'll transmit some dashes and a string.
That's a reflected signal.
Oh my goodness. That's pretty good.
Okay, we're going to do a little sideband testing here and see what happens with voice. We're trying to get back from the moon. Hello test. Hello moon. Hello moon. November 0 Oscar Yankee.
Oh my goodness.
Moon. Hello moon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.